Hey guys, check out this look that I'm doing. So first I'll start off with my primer, going in, making sure that I prime and set the canvas so that I'm able to complete the look that I wish for. Primer just makes sure that the look is set for the entire day or night. And so as you can see, I'm going in through the T-zone area, around the cheeks and under the chin to make sure that primer really gets in there. Next, I'm going in with the Victoria's Secret exfoliant on the lips. And what this does to my lips, it makes it soft, and before I put on my lipstick, I'm able to glide that on really smoothly. Now I'm just reaching for I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to achieve the eyebrows, and I'm using NYX or NYX, whichever you prefer. Using the eyebrow gel that's waterproof, and it works really well. With the application process here, I shade in light, and so the brows are looking really crazy after I shade in or apply that gel onto the actual eyebrow. But the concealer for me helps clean up everything, and it helps shape the brow. You want the brow to look really clean and precise. You don't want sloppy or messy brows. It may look as if I'm going extremely fast here, but I know my brow shape, so yeah. So as you can see, I'm going in. I start in the middle first, in the middle of the brow first, and then I work towards the end, and then I come back to the front end of the brow. I'm just going in for a little more product to complete the other side. And y'all, please don't talk about my By Felicia braids or twists. I know I look cray. And so now I'm just going in and just, what do you call it? I don't know. Smudging out the concealer, the excess. Blending that under the eyebrow. And as you can see, the concealer helps shape the brow. So the concealer here is my best friend. And yeah, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal shade in Fawn. No, Cool Tan on the bottom and Fawn at the top. So at the bottom of the brow, I kind of go lighter than my skin tone. And then on the top of my brow, I sort of kind of match my skin tone. And so I'm just doing the same thing I did on the other side. And then I'm blending it out. Then I'll grab Fawn, and I'll go to the top of the brow and do the same as I've done at the bottom, for the bottom. I really wasn't sure how this look would turn out, but it actually turned out great, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. So yeah, just smudging that around, or not smudging, I shouldn't say smudging, we're just blending that in. And so as you can see, the shape has already come together. And if you'd like, I think I'm going to go back in and go in with the actual product. I'm not going to put anything else on the brush, but I'm going to go in with that brush I used and just fill in more. looks as if one is higher than the other, but it's totally fine. They are sisters, they are related, and I'm satisfied with it. So now I'm just taking my spoolie and just going in at the front of my brows and just and then I take my Sacha Buttercup and I go in and I set that concealer that's under there. And I love doing this because I just don't like seeing the greasiness or the oil come from the concealer after 6 or 7 hours. So for me, the powder, the setting powder, the Sacha Buttercup setting powder sets the look, sets the concealer. So you don't have to worry about any oiliness in the T-zone area or beneath the eyebrow onto the eyelids. So I'm just going to brush those away. And so I am satisfied with the brows. And as you can see, I'm going back in and I didn't add any more product on the brush, but I just went in and just filled them in, made them a little more darker. And so I've skipped a portion of this. It just took so long. I didn't want to film the actual eyeshadow process, but I did use the Take Me to Brazil palette and the, what other palette was that? And the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I used those on the eyes, for the eyes. And then now I've concealed and contoured. No, I've concealed now, and so now I'm brushing that away. And as you know, I've used the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Just brushing that away. Then I'm going to use a Beauty Supply palette to contour. Got it for a good cheap price at the Beauty Supply store, girls. Y'all know how we do. I thought it was really cool. And so yeah, here I was looking for it. So I'm gonna go in with that. I don't think there's a particular way to do this. I don't think so. But when I see depth and definition with the contour and color, that's how I know it's working for me. So like that. And I'm going on the other side and doing the exact same thing that I've done. Area and just contour around the edge and then below or underneath my chin. It gives me a chiseled look. And I'm taking a smaller angled brush and I'm going to contour the nose. Oh yeah, and the brushes that I'm using in this video are cheap brushes, e.l.f. brushes, and I think 2 that I use are from Morphe, the face brush, Morphe M34 I believe, or Morphe 434, and the blending the small blending brush for the eyelids. So now I'm going to go in with Juvias Place Serafina's blush, powdered blush. And I love the peachy rosy effect this gives to my skin. I'm just going in circular motions on the cheeks and upward towards the hairline, or backwards towards the hairline. As you can see, there's a rosy effect, and I love that with this blush. So now I'm gonna actually take my beauty blender and go in with the Colourpop's Candyman highlight. And just take the bottom of that beauty blender and just run it along the side of my cheeks, at the top of my cheeks. Until I get the desired look. And then I do the other side. Just taking the bottom of that beauty blender and just dabbing it across the face or the top of the cheek. What I'm doing here, I reuse all of my lashes. I never throw them away. What I do is repeel the glue off using my tweezers, and then I apply new fresh glue and I put them on, and they look brand new. I never throw my lashes away. And so for this process, I've used a duo glue, and for the lashes, I'm using Ardell Beauty Faux Make lashes, which are really, really great. I love the minor dramatic effect the lashes give. So I'm just waiting for the glue to get tacky. And voila, here is the finished look. I finished off the lips with Transylvania from NYX or NYX, whichever you prefer, soft matte lip cream. And here is the look. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Forever Bree. Bye bye.